Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Roble and I'm here to show you how to make a traditional British Christmas cracker with some things you probably have around the house. The first thing you're going to need is a clean, empty roll of toilet paper. You don't want to have leftover pieces of paper stuck on it, so if there's some leftover paper, just scrape that off. You can even use your fingernail. So you need your toilet paper tube empty of paper. You're going to want a piece of wrapping paper. My piece is about 7.5 inches wide by about 15 inches long. I'm saying about, you don't need to measure it precisely. You just want it big enough to be able to cover your tube and have some nice bits sticking out on either side, and you'll see at the end why you want that. So my paper, I have some pretty fancy paper, is double-sided. Well, I want to have Santa on the outside, so I'm going to flip this over. This is the back of my paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll up the tube in the wrapping paper. You notice it's the long, skinny way like a hot dog. If you roll it the other way, it just comes out a lot skinnier and you don't get these nice long pieces at the end. I have a little piece of clear tape. I'm going to tape the wrapping paper down. Now, this is a trick I've learned from doing these many times with students in the past. You want to take some curling ribbon, just like you wrap a present with, and you're going to crunch down one side of it. So I'm just giving like a little squish, squish, squish. And then tie one side. And you'll see why I want one side in just a moment. So I'm going to knot this. This might be a good time to have mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or an older brother or sister help you with the tying part. So I have one end tied. Now I've got this tube. Dun, dun, dun. So in Christmas crackers, there can be all kinds of things. Sometimes there's treats. Sometimes there's little toys. Sometimes there's riddles. And I wrote a quick riddle. What kind of crystals don't break when they hit the ground? Snow, because they're ice crystals. So I'm going to put in my riddle. So I'm going to put that down the open side of the tube. And I have a couple peppermints. I'm going to put in mine. 1, 2, 3. So whoever opens up my Christmas cracker will get a riddle and some little mints. Okay, I'm going to make sure that riddle gets pushed down. Now I'm going to squish this and squish, 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 squish. And I'm going to use one more piece of curling ribbon. And I'm going to tie off this side. And the curling ribbon pieces are about as long as a ruler. They're about 12 inches or so. And there you have your own Christmas cracker. And just as I was hoping, Santa's right there on mine. The reason they're called crackers is when you open them up, they make a cracking sound as you rip them. So enjoy your British Christmas crackers and have a great day.